happy Teachers Day to all my dear students and all my dear friend. Today, myself Rishikesh Khalil Sonone from class 9 CBSE Nirmal Pet Future School Shogao. Today, I am teaching you science. My science teacher is Kharat sir from Shogao. I will hope you understanding my teaching. Let's continue our. We are discussing about the chapter 5th of a science, the fundamental unit of a life. Today we are discussing about the point is cell. The basic structure and the fundamental unit of a life. First cell was observed by a Robert Hooke in 1665. It looked like a dead cell, and it's also looked like a honeycomb. Why giving the name cell? Because first he observed look like a dead cell. So he giving a name cell because a cell look like a small honeycomb and structure based on giving his name cell. Next point, the shapes and size related to the representative functions means the cells have a different size and different function. Correct. So example is muscle cell, blood cell, sperm cell and nerve cells, and this is middle point. If you know that, what is this? Nuclide. Yes, correct. Our next point is prokaryotic cell. So you think then, what is meant by prokaryotic cell? Yes, listen. A cell characterized by the absence of distinct membrane bound nucleus or membrane bound organized and by DNA that is not organized into the chromosome. For example, bacterium amoeba. Bacteria amoeba is having a short form. This is BA and AM means its short form is Baba Amte. So, what is the very important size of the prokaryotic cell is 1 picometer equal to 10⁻⁶ meter. It's very important. Carefully. Be carefully about this. So now we see the diagram of prokaryotic cell. So this is pili, this is nuclide, cytoplasma, cell wall. This outer cover is known as cell wall. This is plasma membrane. The second layer is known as plasma membrane, and third it is like a tail is known as. We have discussed about akrotic cell, prokaryotic cell, and now we're discussing about the animal cell. What is meant by animal cell? The animal cell are the basic unit of life organism by the kingdom of Animalia. Kingdom of Animalia. They are the akrotic cell. They are akrotic cell, meaning that they have travel nucleus and specialized structure called as the animal cell. Okay, now we are discussing about the animal cell. Animal cell are the comparatively in smaller in size. Animal cell are small in size. Animal cell are small in size. And plant cell are, this is a plant cell. Plant cell are big one, big in size. Then cell wall is absent. So we know that in plant cell there are the cell wall, but in animal cell there are no cell wall. Yeah, there are no cell wall in animal cell. The palacyte are absent. There are palacyte are absent, but in plant cell they are present. Then centrosome are present. In centrosome are present. Centrosome are present, and in plant it cannot present. So vasculars either the present or very small in size. They are here is vascular are present in small in size. Do you understand? These are present but in small in size, and in animal cell it's also present. Then food storage in form of chlorosense. Here in the animal cell there are one here. Suppose here they are storing the food. more number of proton lysosomes are present. The lysosomes are present in more quantity than the plant cell. Did you understand? So friends, we have discussing about the prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell, and the important point is that the cell membrane versus cell wall. What is the difference between? It's very important point for the student of a 9th standard, and it's very. This question is the exactly came in the 10th standard. So, okay, now carefully see here what is different between the cell membrane and cell wall. It is very important for the class 10th examination. So, first point. First point is, it's present only the cell plant. It present in only in plant cell. Yes, the cell membrane are the only present in plant cell. That's why I am remove this diagram. See, here is plant cell. Plant cell containing the cell wall, and we have discussed that animal cell have absent the cell wall. So, cell membrane is the first point is it's present in the only in plant cell, and for the animal cell it's occur between the plant cell. Next, see, it's occur between the both plant cell and animal cell. Did you understand? What? Cell membrane are present in only the plant cell, and cell wall. Cell membrane is this, and cell wall is containing in both. In where it containing? In both means between the both of the plant cell and animal cell. It's very important. Please pause the video and note in your notebook. It's very important point for a class 9 examination. So, second, 1 minute. What happened? Okay, there one message. The second point, it is the dead in the natural. It is the, so next point, it is the dead in, it is dead in the natural. It is dead in the natural and permeable. And here it is lying, it is living membrane. It is a living membrane. It is living membrane and semi-permeable and semi-permeable. Then third, it is composed of cellulose. It is composed of cellulose. It contains of cellulose and it is composed of liquid. Third, it is composed by liquid and protein. Liquid and protein. So student, you think that what is about the handwriting, but I have ignored because my hand. So let's continue. Don't about my handwriting. Let's see. Cell membrane and cell wall. Discussing about this difference between it present in only cell wall, and it's present in between the both cell wall and animal cell. And second point, it is dead in the natural and permeable. And second, it is the liquid and the semi-permeable. And third point is, it is the composed of the cellulose, and it is then in the cell wall is it is the composed by a liquid and protein. So students, did you understand this all point? Do you understand? Okay. Did you understand all the point which I have taught it? This is specially for the teacher day. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, comment me or call me on my personal number 9421314514 and give